Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to use PowerToys Windows 11 keyboard. So first thing that you must understand is, of course, open up the Microsoft Store into your computer. And here on the Microsoft Store, as you can see, it is an official store. So you can just simply go for the Microsoft PowerToys. So make sure to download this one over here. It is a Microsoft PowerToys by Microsoft Corporation. So pretty much this is a safe application. So now open the application app, and now from here you can just simply go ahead and go for the input and output over here. So pretty much over here you will have an option to go for the keyboard manager. Here on the keyboard manager, you can just simply enable this one over here. And when you select remap a key over here, you will have an option to select a key you want to change and then configure the key, shortcut, or text you want it to send. So pretty much you will be able to remap the keys over here. So you can remap a shortcut as well if you have other shortcuts. And pretty much here on the system tools or on the home, each one of the features has their own unique shortcuts. So for example, I'm going to go for FancyZones. So here on the Fancy Zone, as you can see, this activation shortcut over here will be this one over here. It will be a Windows icon, a shift, and the icon over here. And if you want to change it, of course, you could just simply select the pencil icon. And from here, you would just simply clear it and assign a shortcut, and of course provide the combination that you prefer. So pretty much over here you should be able to have this one change, and pretty much each one of them have their own unique combination, as you can see. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.